They shine a ton brighter, they cover a lot more area, and overall for you lighting freaks out there, this is definitely gonna be a must-have upgrade for your truck. What's going on, Team Lethal fans? It's Joe here with Lethal Performance. Today, we've got a rather smaller package here from our friends over at Morimoto, but don't let the size fool you. This is going to be a big upgrade here for you Super Duty owners out there. This is going to be Morimoto's XB LED license plate lights for you 2017 to 2026 Super Duty owners. So we're talking everything from an F250, F350, and even the F450. Whether you have a dually or not, these lights will work for your truck. So let's go ahead and crack these out of the box and show you guys what they look like. Featuring high-powered Osram LEDs, these are going to be the brightest license plate lights that you can possibly get for your truck on the market, even if you already have the LEDs from the factory on some of your higher trim level trucks like the Platinum and the Lariat, depending on your model year, as well as the King Ranch or Limited. These lights are going to be much brighter than your stock LEDs, so if you're looking for the brightest possible light on the market, there's really only one option. The install really couldn't get any easier with an OE style housing and a plug and play harness. The housings feature UV coated lenses that help resist fading to help keep that quality look for years to come. The housings are also given a gloss black finish to help give it that OEM plus look while they're installed on the bumper. So now that I've given you guys a proper overview, let's go ahead and get these puppies installed on the truck so I can show you guys how easy they are to install, and then of course show you how much better they are than the stock lighting. So now that we're out here with our Super Duty, we can go ahead and get started on the install. Of course, the first thing we gotta do is get the old units out. Now, I found the best way to do that is reaching under the bumper in between the hitch and the bumper itself and pushing the tabs around the edge of the stock housing. That will literally pop it right out of the bumper. Super easy, doesn't damage anything. There is another way to do it. If you do wanna do it from the outside here, all you have to do is basically either run a pick or a screwdriver or a plastic pry tool around the edge there and pop the tabs from the outside. Now that does have the risk of damaging the plastic housing of the bumper itself, so that's definitely not the preferred way of doing it, but if you have small enough arms, you can definitely reach yourself under there and pop those tabs. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So as you can see here through this super tight gap in the bumper and the hitch, you can see that license plate light housing. Now all you need to do is go around the edge there by hand and just simply pop those tabs out and the light should pop right out. So it is a really tight squeeze, puts a lot of stress on the forearm. Should be able to get right here. All right, I'm touching the assembly now. Just pop those clips. There's two on the sides, one on the bottom, and then just give the light a little push. There you go. Pops right out there. Now once that light is out of the assembly, all you have to do is pull out just the housing, and then you're gonna go ahead and pull out the bulb from the housing, and then just plug in your Morimoto one. And then that just screws back into the Morimoto housing, and bada bing, bada boom. There we go, Morimoto housing is now in. So just a comparison here as to why the Morimoto makes such a big difference here. This is the stock license plate light from the factory, basically just one little tiny LED bulb. This here is, we got 6x3, I think we're looking at 18 individual bulbs there, those Osram LEDs. So this is gonna be ridiculously powerful on this license plate here at night. It's gonna give it a nice pop. Oh yeah, pops right on in. There we go, job all done. And there you guys have it. Those were the Morimoto XB LED license plate lights for the 2017 and up Super Duties. Now, as you guys saw, install really couldn't have been much easier. Just reach behind the bumper there, pop the tabs, and the lights come right out. Morimoto ones go right in. You could have this done within 5 minutes. Now the performance of the lights, as you guys also saw, they are amazing. The LEDs from Morimoto, because of probably simply quantity wise, but the fact that they're also a quality LED, they shine a ton brighter, they cover a lot more area, and overall for you lighting freaks out there, this is definitely going to be a must-have upgrade for your truck. If you guys have any questions or you want to grab them for yourself, feel free to click the link in our description, drop a comment below, or reach out with us at 561-753-8105. This has been Joe with Lethal Performance, and I'm out of here. And just reach on back here. Why was this so hard the first time? I couldn't get my hand back up in here the first time. Huh, all right, cool. Easy enough. Just open up like a page in a book.